Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Subs YouTube channel. Today I'm opening a package from Amazon. How exciting. So there's a few things that I ordered, and all were to help with better video and better photos. So this, right now I have an iPhone with only like 16 gigs on it, and so I'm only able to make and edit one video at a time. So I have to do a lot of shuffling because I just don't have the space on my phone. So now, if we can get this out. This is an external drive. Oops. Show you really quick what it looks like. It's compatible with a lot of different iPhone, iPads, iPods. Okay. So how neat is this? Let's see if we can. This one. Let's see, I'm trying to see where I can look at how much space is on this one. Okay, I think this is the 128 gig drive, but basically it plugs up into my phone here, and then I can record videos to go straight to this, or at least that's what I read. Oh, it's actually 256 gigs. So plug it in my phone, and then I can turn around and plug it into my laptop and edit videos from my laptop, which means I am going to need to find a different video editing program. So we'll be exploring several different programs. But I have needed this for a long time. Makes it very, very hard to take and edit videos, and then also when it's time to upload to YouTube, I haven't been able to use my phone, so I'm without a phone for several hours. So the next thing is a ring light, and it's also, it holds your phone here, and it has 3 different settings. Says it has this, I guess, I don't know how to describe it, but bright, not as bright, and then very yellow light. And then it folds up really small. Let's look at this. Oop, no tape on this one. And I'll leave the links down below for everything that I've gotten, and I plan to do a review video for these as well. Today we're just doing an unboxing. Okay. So yeah, so B cord. And that's how you plug it in. And then here's the switch for the different settings. Maybe I should read the directions. Maybe I should. Okay. There we go. Tighten this up. So there's the stand. Okay. So this just pulls out right here, and that's how it stands taller. Alright, so I'm not going to turn it on right now. I will play with it at a later time, because I have one more thing I want to show you guys. Alright, so the last thing is this. And if this is of good quality, then it will for sure make my day. This is a light box. And with the light box, you just have a portable or mobile light studio to take pictures. This would be great to take pictures for my soaps. And I read that this is a super quick put together or setup for this. So it looks just like a little briefcase that you just carry around or something like it. And then this, I'm doing it without reading the directions because I read online that it was super self-explanatory to put it together. So here's the cord that will plug up, and then these little LEDs will turn on. So let's see. I guess this was supposed to go in here, in the middle, and then that. I'm super excited about this because to get any good quality photos, I have to wait until about 10 o'clock in the morning when we have natural light coming inside, or I have to go outside and take photos to get really nice looking ones. Okay, cool. So I've already got it all snapped together. So now I'm gonna put the backdrop in. Right now we've got it sitting on the back side. So you get 4 different colors backgrounds to choose from. You got blue, you got white, gray, and black. And I ultimately went for this one because I read that the other little backdrop pieces were like felt and would like pick up like lint and little specks of stuff. But these are plastic, so they shouldn't get dirty. Feels like you'd be able to just wipe them off clean. Okay, so now it's just supposed to sit in here like so. I'm doing this without reading the instructions, so if I don't know, I will figure it out. But it looks like we're getting it right. Slip that little tab in there. Slip this little tab in this opening. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Okay, so now we have our light box. Now this I will plug in just to kind of show you. I have heard that these little LED strips here can be fragile, so after reading the reviews, so I'm just going to be super nice and easy when I plug this in. Looks like it goes on this side. Okay. Okay. So now I'll me get my little box so I can plug in the USB. Or see if there's one in here. See if there's one included. Oh, that's just the tripod that comes with it. It doesn't look like it's included. Okay, be right back. Wow, it's so bright. Whoa, okay. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up on this. Okay, so here's the box. Here's the plugins for the little LED strips here. And it's all snapped together. And I also went with this product because the other ones I've seen have like their brand or their logo in like really blocky and dark lettering right here that it would show through on this side. I read that on other people's reviews, so I went with this one and said, ooh, and there's Velcro on this. So you can get a shot from this away, or you can go up top. I'm trying to do this with one hand. You can go up top, oops, and get a picture of what you're going for. So this is one of the bars going with my Mother's Day collection. So there's a view from up top, no editing, no extra lights whatsoever. There's that. And then when you come back this way, this is what my shot would look like. And this is again just a live video, so it's not even no editing or anything. This far I haven't even cleaned up, so it's got sharp edges, rough edges here. So yeah, really love that. It's really going to make photos of my soap look a lot better. Awesome. Okay, so thank y'all for staying tuned with my little unboxing video here. I know I just kind of dug right in and just couldn't wait to see everything, unpackage everything, so I'm doing everything without instructions. So anyways, yeah, just stay, if you like to see the review of these things, just let me know, and I probably most likely will be doing a review on all of these products, and just to see how I like them, and then post that video. So if you want to stay tuned for that or get a notification when I post that video, just hit the subscribe button. I'm so in love with this light box. This is amazing. Yeah, this is going to do the trick. Alright guys, so I will see y'all on the next video. Have a good day.